Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word billboards. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The company spent thousands of dollars on advertising their new product on billboards throughout the city. Billboards refer to large outdoor advertising structures typically seen along highways and busy streets, used to display advertisements to a wide audience. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.